Hey, it's Ryan with Parts Doctor, and today I'm going to show you how to replace the LED light on the Samsung refrigerator. You'll need a Phillips screwdriver. Let's get started. For this repair, unplug or disconnect power to the refrigerator. First, remove the cover by depressing the rear locking tabs and pulling down and towards you. While supporting the light, remove the 2 Phillips screws. Now carefully lower the light as it's still connected by wires. Now depress the locking tab and remove the electrical plug. If you have a bad LED light and you need to purchase a new one, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure that you're searching with the model number from the tag on your refrigerator to make sure you get the correct part. To install the light, first reconnect the electrical plug. Next, set the light in place and reinstall the 2 Phillips screws. Now install the cover by inserting the front tabs first and then snapping the rear tabs into place. Now plug the refrigerator back in and test it out to make sure that it's working properly. So that's it for this video. If you have any tips or tricks of your own, let us know in the comments below. And if you like fixing things, please consider subscribing.